Morning, YouTube watchers. Hey, we are going to make some sanding blocks today. I got the idea off of a YouTube channel when I was looking for some sanding blocks. A Simple Little Life. He's a knife maker, and he references Go Knives as where he got the original design from. And both those guys, they have milling machines in order to make theirs. I don't have a milling machine. All I've got is a drill press and some other tools, some files and whatnot. So we're going to make them using those tools. You could also probably use a hand drill if you're steady enough. So let's get busy. We're going to make this into these. So these are 4 by 3 by 3/4 inches thick. The little pad here is going to be about a 3 by 3 sanding area. Really good for, like I said, knife making. That's what they use theirs for. I'm going to use it on some wood to smooth out some surfaces really flat. We're going to use a drill press to make these. It's by mating them together and then drilling a 3/8 hole. The bars are 5/16. That gives me enough room to kind of pinch the sandpaper in there. These grooves are all 1/4 inch grooves. You're going to need a piece of waste material for these side grooves, or you're going to have to spend a lot of time filing them. The O-rings are just some that I picked up from the hardware store. Mine happen to be 1 3/4 inch, 1/8 inch wide O-rings. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Let's get to work.